Hi guys, my name's Liam, this is Georgia and we are packing for places. And in this week's vlog,
we spend a day in Beverly Hills to see where the rich and famous do their shopping.
Then we take a walk down the Hollywood Walk of Fame and see whose stars we can find.
Finally, we treat ourselves to a day at Universal Studios and show you all the best rides and even how to beat the queues.
So guys, if you're new around here, we've quit our jobs, sold our house and we've been travelling the world for 9 months. We've been pushing ourselves out of our comfort zone, throwing ourselves into some crazy experiences such as climbing volcanoes, wild camping in Botswana and biking through Southeast Asia. So buckle up and join us for the ride as this series we take on California. If you like what we're doing, give us a like, subscribe to the channel and we hope you enjoy.
Good morning!
Good morning.
We in Beverly Hills, baby. Welcome to the vlog, welcome to Packing Places.
Welcome to LA.
We just started a new series. We're in LA for 2 weeks. We've just come to Beverly Hills. We're going to spend the day walking around, looking at things that we can't afford. Hope you enjoy this vlog, guys.
Yeah, no escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby, the things you feel do with that body, yo. Show.
Just said to Georgia, I said, you've got to be on Celebrity Watch. Beverly Hills, that is where they all are. Any nice cars that drive past, just keep your eyes peeled. Oh my God, just walked past a pussycat dog. Well no, if you're going to meet someone famous, it's in Beverly Hills. Famous place in the world. Well, let's see, fingers crossed.
She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you're ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah.
Even the smell as you walk down the street, the smell of the shops of all like the leather and just all the brand new stuff like it's coming from the stores. It just stinks of money basically. We couldn't even afford a napkin down this place. Georgia wanted to go into Tiffany's. I said, no, we're not going to Tiffany's. We ain't got Tiffany's money.
We making a movie, the things you and I go through. Every time we link up, it's a roller coaster when we make love. Sometimes I don't really know where I have you. Feels like someday you could flip us. She the real thing, but she go harder like Greenland. Church girl moving like.
So today we've come down to Hollywood Walk of Fame. I can't believe how busy it is.
And it's literally a 10-minute walk from where we're staying.
Yeah, we're staying so close to it. We're just going to have a walk around and just be tourists. Come on. So we've heard about these, they're called sprinkles and they are a cupcake vending machine.
All dark chocolate.
They've got loads of options, they look so good. And there's your cupcake. So we didn't want to keep holding the cupcake, so we're going to eat half of it each. But it's so messy. It tastes really good though. We're standing over a bin.
So glamorous.
Just dropped the guy $2, at least he's honest. My man.
What would it be? Let's pick one for each other.
So you got best architect, best dancer, best mum, best dad, they got everything. What am I going to pick up? Best dancer, definitely not.
No,
Best singer, definitely not. There's so many different ones. So I've picked mine, you go first.
Congratulations, you are the best driver.
The best driver award.
I think you deserve that, to be fair.
She always drives around saying I was just the driver.
He's the best chauffeur.
Just to let you know, I've not crashed once.
You You've done so well.
I've not crashed once in 9 months. All the vehicles, the bikes, I've not crashed. Remember that. I have got the best aunt. I think Georgia is the best aunt. She's not getting best wife. So we've just come outside Hollywood High School. Look at that, you'd never get that in England. Like, they've allowed someone to draw, but look at the art. It looks insane. I love how much of a tourist I am with this camera. To get
the Englishman with the camera.
What are we going to get?
In-N-Out.
In-N-Out burger, meant to be some of the best burgers, and we are going to go and give it a try. These burgers look so nice. Georgia added cheese onto the fries, which just make them look even more good. But oh, look at that, with a chocolate milkshake, babe. Then this is going to be nice.
Very good. I liked it.
The chips were horrible. The burger was, it was a burger. It was all right, and the milkshake was nice, but not doing nothing on. Was it Shake Shack?
You've been very negative.
And Five Guys.
I think it was good. I like the burger. I think the chips could have been better.
The chips.
But the cheese was good.
So just casually in and out. Oh, look at it. Only in Hollywood. So the next morning we woke up bright and early as we'd got ourselves tickets to Universal Studios. This is something we've been looking forward to for a while. What are you most looking forward to?
The Jurassic. Well, I can't say that because I'm a die-hard Harry Potter fan, but I've never done a Jurassic World ride or anything, so that's going to be new for me. Strategy when you go to a theme park.
I'm not afraid to push kids basically today. I will push a kid over if he's in my way.
You can't do that.
I can. Yeah, baby. And we are in. That was so easy as well, like scan your ticket. Yeah. Right, we've got a game plan. We're going straight for Jurassic World.
Yeah. We're going to hit it off big with a ride.
Yeah, start off big. We've got our ponchos because it's going to be a wet ride. But let's get there first and get that done. You look very beautiful.
Thank you, you're so
I think Marilyn Monroe just called me handsome.
Oh, back off, Marilyn.
She knows. Oh God, Jurassic World. Oh, I'm so happy. Come on. Let's go, let's go. I've just got our ponchos.
We're ready.
I'm going to have to switch to GoPro now. Waterproof. Hopefully I can get it on the ride so I can show you guys. How was it, babe?
Insane.
Wasn't it so good?
Good. The dinosaurs are so real.
It's definitely changed up since the last time I'd been. But yeah, it didn't get as wet as I thought. Everyone was looking at us, we had ponchos, no one else had ponchos on. We're at the Transformers ride, waiting for Optimus Prime. Georgia really wants to see him, so we had to stay.
I have returned to light our darkest hour. Humans, freedom is your right. Today, you have a choice.
I don't know about this one. I've not got the strongest stomach and it's 3D, but Liam is desperate to go on it. So we'll give it a go, and if I'm sick, I'll let you know.
We refuse to let the fate
Oh my god, how good was that?
Insane.
Literally, I reckon it's one of the best rides we've been on so far.
The graphics it was so realistic.
3D-ness with the glasses and throwing you around, and oh, it was so good.
Amazing.
I can't actually believe though that we've done one section and we've been in here about an hour and a half.
We've done 3 of the biggest rides.
Yeah. The 3 big ones, the Mummy, Transformers,
If you get here,
and Jurassic World.
if you get here when it opens, go straight down to the lower lot. We're going to go and do the studio tour because it's literally like an hour long and there's only a 10-minute wait. So we're going to do that, chill out, have lunch, and then we've got the rest of the day to do Springfield and Harry Potter World, which is perfect.
Perfect plan. So we've just arrived at Harry Potter Land. George is very excited. One of the last stops of the day, but looks like it's going to be pretty awesome. So we're in Hogwarts. I've got myself a can of Stella. Cost me about a tenner, but
We look great before our 3D ride.
that's all right. We've got 90 minutes waits on this ride. 90 minutes. But the last one was like 50 minutes and it was all right. Just get on your phone and listen to a podcast or something. So I just come off the Harry Potter ride. We weren't allowed to take cameras on there, but how good was that? It was the best ride. You was flying around. It was just so good. Definitely the best ride. We're gonna have a look in the shop. I'm trying to get Georgia to get a cape and a wand, but she won't. Just so I can laugh at her. All these wands have different powers and who they are in the film. I don't know anything about this. I like the idea of having a wand though. Last stop of the day, Waterworld. Now I've seen this years ago, but I reckon I might have updated it, but George has never seen it, so. But we are absolutely knackered, haven't we? We've been going for like 8-9 hours now, just walking, and it is nearly 5 o'clock, so we're going to do this, and we are done.
What's it about?
A world full of water,
Like pirates.
like pirates. Universal Studio Hollywood, been amazing.